Candle, candle on the table, tell me who's the prettiest web development in the kingdom. Uh, I'm sorry, I'm just being bizarre, I'm afraid. Had a little, I've been doing a couple of things today. I've been recording a YouTube video earlier today. I've been out and trying to. I've been putting up these flyers all around in this part of town, and to see if I can generate some leads from that. You know, I have tried a little bit of this and a little bit of that. I have to say, in a Stalinist country like Sweden, it can be a bit tough to reach success by American standards. Sorry. I'm not sure I should say things like this. People might get very upset, and the Stalinist loyalists might come knocking on my doors, on my door with with a baton and a couple of guys in dark suits. I'm just kidding. You know, I'm just kidding. Or am I? Yes, maybe. Anyways, technology today. I need a good name for this YouTube channel. Currently it's called Ponjiboy1, and I don't know, I didn't know that the word Ponji had a meaning when I created this hangout. It was, I didn't know that it's something like the smell of old socks. It's funny, but maybe not completely appropriate, and besides I think people won't understand that it's a technology YouTube channel if it's called Ponjiboy1. So I should probably change it now. If I'm gonna start making a lot of YouTube videos, then I should probably change it now. Life is so dramatic with these web services. If you make one mistake, then you're stuck with it the rest of your life. So I should change the name of the YouTube channel now and re-upload all the videos. Oof, that ain't gonna be fun. I read an article today, by the way, which said that Google might register a top-level domain called .youtube. So who knows? Maybe in the future you can have your own domain name that ends with YouTube. That would be pretty cool, actually. It's not every day new top-level domains are released. And maybe that's for the best. It's confusing. Everything is confusing these days, in my humble opinion. The economy only looks good on the American side of the Atlantic. I mean, the US and Europe are playing by completely different rules. It's like two universes that cannot coexist forever. So something will have to happen sooner or later. I've been out a lot today, exercising a lot. Took my bike to town, trying to get as much exercise as I can. I also created a new website for the local market. Sometimes I help the neighbors with like IT support and stuff. That's mostly for the social aspect. You know, I run an internet business, so I rarely meet people in real life. So that's why I started doing those IT support things. It's pretty nice. It's relaxing too. They tend to need help with pretty simple things like setting up a wireless network or I don't know, reinstalling Windows and stuff like that. So I can do that with my left hand and relax and enjoy the conversation. It's nice making people happy. It's a service, and I admire successful businesses, and but unfortunately in this part of the world, I mean, the more successful you get, the more attacked you will be by the political class, who the tyrants of Europe. Anyways, what I was saying is technology matters. We all know it. I read about the technology today, about how to create the... Oh my god, I'm sorry if I'm yawning, but it's sort of boring talking to yourself while watching a candle. You have to admit. Yeah, I spoke to this guy who had actually watched 2 of my 5 or 10 minute videos. That's amazing, man. I mean, I have to say, there typically not much is going on from a visual aspect in these videos. I've been thinking about maybe using my face and then applying a video effect on top of it. But that of course would be an extra step. So even now it's sort of cumbersome uploading every single video to YouTube and tag it. But if I would have a cool video effect, I don't know. I mean, it's sort of boring staring at the burning candle, isn't it? I tried making videos like 10 years ago, and it just didn't work. I would create videos and watch them and realize that it's all crap. I think the difference is today, I mean these days I've read so much about IT, and I've been sort of working in the business, and so I know more about technology. So whenever I find myself out of words, I just start thinking about some aspect of web technologies that I know of, and I can get some inspiration from that, rather than just talking about talking about nonsense like I used to 10 years ago. I'm just saying it's good to have something to focus on rather than just trying to be a pure entertainer. Let's see now. I'm using a Sony Vaio laptop, and I'm quite content with it. I used the vacuum cleaner the other day. I bought a can of compressed air, but I never used it. I used the vacuum cleaner instead to clean the fan, and the laptop has become, I would say, 100% more quiet since I did that. So that was a great relief that I was able to clean the fan. It's been making me miserable for years, and I haven't got, for some reason I haven't got around to vacuum clean it. I wasn't sure if I could do that or if it would break the machine. The vacuum cleaner is pretty strong, so I was afraid I would suck out some electronics or maybe make the fan spin backwards or something like that. That happened to a friend of mine. He was cleaning his machine, and he used the vacuum cleaner, but he put it in the wrong end, so he made the fan spin backwards, and then that was the end of that laptop apparently. Okay, I've been talking for 9 minutes already. I think that's sufficient for one video. I will see if I can make a couple of videos in a row today. So because I've been working with the computer so much today that I need to relax and use another interface. See you later guys.